3 things I want to do more of in 2024. Number 1, more fun with friends and family. Number 2, more movement. And number 3, eat more veggies. Yep, I'm dedicating 2024 to eating more veggies, and I invite you to come along on the journey. I mean, carrot sticks are fine, but we can do better. That's why I'm planning a different theme for each month on how we can eat more veggies. And I don't just mean boring veggies that are a chore to eat. I mean really delicious, tasty veggies that you look forward to eat, that are easy to prepare, and that you're truly going to enjoy. Our journey begins with soup because there are so many ways to add tasty veggies to our existing soups. Over the next several weeks, I'll share my favorite soup recipes, how to make them super tasty, and how to add more veggies. In fact, it starts today with a post on the 7 ways to add more veggies to your soup. Go check it out and be sure to subscribe because subscribers always get the inside scoop. So subscribe and let's eat more veggies.